Welcome to room 2106 at the Intercontinental Miami. Upon entry, the bathroom is right at the door. Looks like a nice, spacious bathroom. They do have some tissues, extra toilet paper. This looks like some good storage space as well. They also include, in that black bag, is a hair dryer and some slippers are provided as well. Moving further in, they have a closet here. Inside the closet, you will find the ironing board and the safe. There is also some hangers, and it also looks like some extra bedding. Very nice lighting for sure. Lots of storage space as well. They do have these drawers here that are empty, nice and deep. There's two of those, one on each side of the sink. They do provide hand soap and body lotion, some cups. And then moving on in, there is the toilet area and a nice size shower. And inside the shower, they do have conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Again, nice size shower. And then moving on into the room. On the side here, they do have a area here where you can fix coffee and tea. They provide decaf tea as well as caffeinated tea and coffee. They provide the cups in an ice bucket and some water. And then below is the refrigerator and some extra cups. And then over here is a mini bar. In the mini bar, it looks like they have Sour Patch Kids, M&Ms. I see some Pringles back there, some Twix, looks like chocolate covered nuts of some sort. And then they also have mixed or assorted nuts as well. And then if you're not feeling well, they have some emergency, which is vitamin C. They have a 5-hour energy. They have some Advil in here, some Scope. So this is nice if you forgot things. I also see a few Band-Aids in here as well, so that's nice. And they have, a lubricant. And below is some alcohol. I do see, let's see, they have Bombay Sapphire Gin, Grey Goose Vodka, and then they have Jack Daniels. Let's see for a better picture. And then they also have more water, Red Bull, Corona, Bud Light, Cokes, some orange juice as well. So things like that. And this is the refrigerator. Now, for this mini bar, I would assume you scan this QR code here and it would tell you the price of the items in the mini bar. Moving on into our spacious room. It is an ocean view room with a king size bed. There are nightstands on each side. The nightstand does have a lamp. It looks like a very nice size drawer. They do have these bowls down here as well. Good storage. Moving on to the other side of the bed is the same setup, but this side has the phone. Another nice feature on the side of the nightstand, they do have power. They have the regular electrical socket as well as 2 USB and the USB-C as well. So for folks like us that need lots of charging options, this is a good one. And right behind the lamp is the switch to close the curtains, and you can have them black out at night or sheer during the day. They also have this nice sitting area, the table, and then there is another table to sit at. Please excuse our junk. They also have food options here. For breakfast, they have Eggs Benedict, avocado breakfast sandwich, steak, egg, and cheese, smoked salmon platter, eggs your way, mini waffles, fresh fruit platter, pancakes, an assorted pastry basket, yogurt, and berries. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. during the week, and then Saturday and Sunday it's 7 a.m. until noon. Then they have some lunch options. Well, it says all day dining, so from 11 a.m. to midnight during the week, Sunday through Thursday. Then Friday and Saturday it's 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Starters are guacamole, chicken wings, Bayside shrimp, short ribs, chicken noodle soup. Salad options are a garden salad, Caesar salad, a quinoa bowl, and then you also have a burger, an adobo chicken sandwich, a Cuban sandwich, flatbreads. They have tomato and burrata, meat lovers, or mushroom bianca. Other entrees, they have teriyaki chipotle salmon, pasta with chicken, adobo half chicken, filet mignon. For sides, they have mac and cheese, truffle fries, carrots. They have some desserts as well, such as a key lime tart and a flourless chocolate cake. On the kids menu, they have a cheeseburger and fries, chicken finger and fries, or mac and cheese. So those are your food options here as well. A nice mirror on the wall, the TV in front of the bed, and they also have some storage space directly under the TV. And they have 6 nice sized drawers. And my favorite part of this entire room is this view. We are in Biscaynebay, so we can actually see the cruise ships from this window. I mean, the window is a nice size, And it does have like this lip here. So very nice window, very nice view. In port today is Carnival Conquest. And over there is an MSC ship. I can't quite figure out what ship it is, but it is MSC. And I assume tomorrow there will be more ships in port. There's also a Royal Caribbean ship over there, but again, there's some buildings in the way blocking that one, so I can't see. But again, very nice view. There's a Ferris wheel down there. I love this room. I don't have anything to complain about. The staff is very friendly. As soon as we got in, or we got out of the Uber, and the bellhop was there, right there to help us get all of our luggage in. We got to the front desk and they were very friendly, and the bellhop brought our bags up within like 10 minutes. We haven't even been in this room for a half an hour yet, and the management staff has already knocked on the door just to make sure everything is okay. So for me, I would definitely recommend this hotel. We're gonna go out in a few, and so I will try to get some footage of the lobby as well, but again, I would definitely recommend it. And we are in Biscaynebay, so it's very convenient to stores and shops and restaurants and things like that. So if you're in Miami, if you're cruising or just happen to be staying in Miami, this is a great choice, in my opinion. And this is the elevator area. We are on the 21st floor. The elevators are quite smooth and quiet. But yes, this is the elevator area. So now we have come down to the lobby area. In the lobby area, they do have a tech lounge. In this tech lounge, you could sit here and use the table. If you want to hook up your laptop, they do have, it looks like a Ethernet cable here. So maybe you can plug into their internet. They do have a power outlet down there, and they do have this basket for recycle. They do have some shops. Inside the shops, it looks like they have your standard stuff. They have some clothing items, some sandals, food, hats, socks, drinks, and some snacks. Of course, lots of sunblock and things like that if you need that. And then across the hall is a shop that looks a little more formal. They have collared shirts, button shirts. Looks like a male shop. They have some hats as well. I do see some suits in there. This is the front desk area. A very nice, spacious area for sitting. They do have a concierge desk as well. As you can see, lots of seating in the entrance of the hotel. Very nice and airy. Again, plenty of places to sit. There is a restaurant here as well as a bar. Again, lots of places to just sit and relax. They do have a couple of ballrooms here. They do have a business center as well. And for all the coffee lovers like me, they do have Starbucks. They also have an ATM machine. More places to sit. It's a little more quiet back here. The lobby, of course, has more people, so it's a bit louder out there. They do also have, to me, very convenient, a FedEx business center here as well. So if you need to ship something, that's great. I do see a copier and a printer in there, and it looks like they have some supplies as well. And then it looks like they also have a spa on site. And then back here are some more elevators that go from the first floor to the 19th floor. So we cannot use these elevators because we're on the 21st. Oh, I am wrong. One set of elevators is for floors 1 through 19. And then on the other side, you will find the hotels for floors, you will find the sign for floors 19 through 34. And again, more elevators. I will say this hotel has plenty of elevators, plenty of spaces to just sit down and relax, maybe have a drink. They also have an area here where you can grab and go. It looks like they are also making things fresh for you as well. I do see coffee and pastries and things like this. So, again, the lobby area, very nice, open, lots of seating. So I find it's nice if you want to just kind of sit down here. If you have a checkout time and you have some time to waste, there's some places for you to sit for sure. Also, if you get here early and your room is not available, plenty of spaces to sit.